Let me show you how to prepare a handi before cooking.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So, you must be wondering what I have. This is earthen pot, mitti ke handi. Why I'm showing this to you? When I prepared the recipe Kampuri biryani, that Assam biryani, I've got so many requests that how to prepare this handi, how to use this handi, and that is in the gas. So before you start cooking, what you have to do, you have to wash this handi. You can see it's already washed, but it will be there. So before you use this handi, there are some techniques that you have to follow to wash the handi. If you don't wash this handi properly in a proper way, then there will be sand and the biryani will be like sandy. What we call in Bengali that bali kich kich kore. So it will be like that. So before that, what you have to do, I am just sharing the simple steps. You just follow the steps. It's very easy, and in the description box I will definitely mention how to clean the handi. So just follow through all the steps and it will be ready to cook. And one more thing, that if you are preparing veg recipe, veg cooking in this handi, don't use for the fish or chicken. You have to use the separate one always. That is what I do. Usually I don't prepare food in handi most of the time, but few recipes are there, like chicken recipe, that Bihari chicken, ahuna chicken. I don't use mutton because here I have to cook for a long time in a slow cooking, and my father will going to, fathers. So for that I prepare ahuna chicken, not the mutton one sometimes, and it tastes really good when you are preparing. You can prepare in the handi and you can prepare in normal utensil also, so you can see the difference, you can taste and smell the difference. That's why. So the biryani,
Fill the handi with water and keep it for overnight, and then wash it thoroughly. Then keep the handi in the sunlight. And now take some mustard oil and then cover the handi with the mustard oil inside and outside both. You need to stir properly, as because it is very important. Otherwise, once heat is there, the handi will crack. So that's why we have to clean it, and then we have to cover it with the oil properly. Our supervisor came to supervise everything. Now the next step. Now in the medium low heat, have to heat this handi before we start cooking. So first heat it properly. Once the oil started evaporate, you will understand that it is almost done. Now the handi is ready to cook. You can see the crackle or bubble. Now have to wash it again. So in the running water have to clean it, and then with the scrubber have to clean it properly. Now I'm adding some baking soda. Don't use any detergent powder. It's always better to use the baking soda, and it's done. And start cooking with the handi. It's easy.